Welcome back again to my FB Live. This is your mentor Neil. And today guys, what I'm going to do is actually a review for kung ano nangyari sa market today, how it behaved as compared to the high and lows of the sessions, high and lows of the previous week, high and lows of the previous day. So ito yung pinaka basis ng aking system, trading system, where I use price action and smart money concepts. So, unahin muna natin yung index na tinatawag na US 30. Ito yung Dow Jones index ng US market. And I'm using 15 minutes time frame. And as you can see in my chart, you might notice yung pink na area, light blue na area, and gray area. So yung pink na area is the Asian session. So ito lang yung first 3 hours. Of course, first 3 hours lang ng session yung tinitingnan ko. First 3 hours ng London, first 3 hours ng US. Kasi yan ang usually yung basis ko. Yung pinaka most active hour of the day or tinatawag kong session time window. So kasi dyan yung pinaka active na time frame or time range or time slot na kung saan napakataas ng liquidity ng market na yan. At usually dyan din nangyayari yung establishment ng high of the day or low of the day or high of the session, low of the session. So, ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano nangyari kay US 30. So, mapapansin nyo na ito, yung black na yan, is the previous day high. At nandito rin yung previous week high, PWH. So, sa Asian session today, the market nag-ranging siya just right little bit below the previous week high but a little bit above than the previous day high. So this is an indication na pwede itong mag-breakout kasi it's trying to attempt to break above this high of the previous week. And the price was already trading little bit above the previous day high. So after the 3 hours time range, nagkaroon ng consolidation. Then right at the first hour of the first 15 minutes, first 3 times 15 minutes or 45 minutes, nagkaroon nga ng breakout si US 30. So silipin natin ng mas closer. So ano nangyari? So this is the previous week high. I think I need to adjust it a little bit kasi medyo overshoot or sobra siya. So sa unang 15 minutes candle pa lang, we have a pullback to retest the previous week high. Then that pullback or black candles and then a white candle nag-hold on and then continued to rally up to the round number and continued farther, and then after the 3 hours nagkaroon ng pullback and then consolidate again, nag-rally until the beginning of the US session, so 2 p.m. here at Central Europe. So but after that, as you can see, this is the first push, second push, third push, and then the fourth push. So actually I was already looking to short this US 30 right at this green candle. So ito yung pinaka third push, 1, 2, and 3. And I know that the US 30 nagkaroon na ng engulfing bearish candle, but hindi ko yan sinort agad. So I was looking for a pullback to here, Pero nangyari, ang pullback niya medyo nagsobra. So, kaya yung limit order ko dito, mayroon akong limit order na nakalagay sa gitna nitong green box, ay na-stop out. Kasi usually, nag-enter ako dyan, limit order, then yung stop loss is above the green box. So, na-stop out yan. But, when I saw this pattern, one, and then another push to the upside, then nagkaroon ng bearish pattern here. So, this is double tops now. First top and the double tops with the engulfing bearish. So, sinort ko ulit yan. Kaya, medyo nagkaroon ako ng winning trades on my second attempt. So, again, stop out muna ako. Then, nagkaroon ako ng re-entry. And I doubled my, I put 2 times of my positions on this US 30 trade. We're holding all the way up to 4 p.m. So I got like 2 hour to 3 hour profits on this. Alright, so that's how US 30 traded today. But if I hold US 30 until even up to the close, which is 10 p.m. here in Central Europe, I would have gotten more profits from this trade. Okay, so let's measure. So let's, how many hours ba yung naging total movement for this pair? So that is an amazing 5 hour from 340. 340 is actually 10 minutes after the stock market opens in US until the close of the stock market, which is 10 p.m. here in Central Europe. So that was a 5 hour move. Okay, so silipin muna din natin yung nangyari kay DAX or GR30. So the same lang. So however, yung pagkakaiba kasi hindi na siya nag-pullback. So I was watching for a pullback up to this green box, but hindi na niya siya. Okay, sorry, naalala ko na I was watching for a pullback here. However, when I shorted US 30, I also shorted GR30 right around here. So it's almost the same time, 1540 also here. Set up the same kasi pag sino-short ko si US 30, sino-short ko rin si GR30. So similar lang yung kanilang so this is a positive correlation yung US 30 at GR30. Alright, so okay, maganda rin yung naging reward ni GR30 kung nagawa kong i-hold pa siya ng mas mahaba pa. So yan ang kailangan ko pang i-improve, how to hold on with the winners. But my basic rule is that may dalawa akong position, and pag na-achieve ng first position yung 2R, kinukuha ko na yung profit sa first position, and then I'm moving my stop loss to break even for the second position, then hold on all the way. So minsan medyo nag-aalangan pa akong i-hold pa siya ng mahaba pang panahon yung second position, at kinukuha ko na rin kasi minsan psychologically I'm getting fearful na baka ma-break even lang yung second position. So I need to still improve that part of my trading kasi I know that and I saw that it's really there is really a possibility na magkaroon pa ng mas maraming profit for that if I'm able to hold on to my second position much longer. Alright, so ayan, so check ko lang kung meron tayo ditong watchers. So for now siguro natutulog pa yung mga viewers natin yun kasi late na dito kasi sa amin Pilipinas, madaling araw ngayon, so I think mga 5 a.m. So for those of you who are watching this video via replay, hello sa inyong lahat. I hope that you are fine, and I hope that your trading is doing well. So for those of you that who would like to learn the strategy that I'm using, again, I'm using smart money concepts and price action. I don't use indicators. As you can see, ginagamit ko lang na indicators are the high and lows of the session and high and lows of previous day and weeks. So kung gusto niyo matutunan paano to gawin at paano i-apply, paano gamitin yung ganitong klase ng sistema sa pagtitrade, ay mangyari mag-PM lang kayo sa aking FB Messenger. And you can also find me in my Discord channel. It's called the TradeOps Discord channel. TradeOps, hanapin nyo lang. So, okay. Yeah, hindi ako maglalagay ngayon. So, later na lang. So, ayan. So, pinost ko naman sa aking Facebook page. So, try to check out na lang or follow my Facebook page para mayroon kayong info about any live videos or new videos or new info that is related to trading. So, ito yung FB page ko related sa trading lang. Okay, so kahapon nag-post ako ng details about my mentorship program. So for those of you who would like to learn from me, then feel free to just write me a message, and also you can check out my post. So I don't know where is it now. I thought that pinost ko siya dito, but ito pala yung Discord channel ko. Ay, sorry, bakit hindi siya magano? Ito, Discord channel. And then you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, TradeOps channel. Click like and subscribe na lang para ma-notify kayo sa mga bago kong video na ina-upload. But usually, nagla-live FB muna ako dito, then dina-download ko yan at ina-upload ko naman sa aking YouTube channel. So, alright guys, so dumako naman tayo sa ibang pairs. So, US oil, paano ba nag-trade ngayon yung US oil? US oil, as you can see, this is the previous day high in the Asian range, below siya sa previous day. And as you can see, this range of the previous day is actually higher than the 2 days range. So ito yung 2 days high, ito naman yung previous day high. So uptrending tayo, and this is actually the first box, breakout ng first box. Then so what I mean here is that we are at just the level 2. So if we are level 2 uptrend, then there's a chance that there will be a level 3. So yun nga, today level 3 happened. So tanggalin muna natin yung mga indicators, and then I will show to you what I mean by these levels. So ito yung previous month low, PML, and this is the first push to the downside, second push, and the third push. So sa third push, ito yung lowest box, and ito yung second to the lowest box. So this is level 1, level 2. We broke out today from that level 2. So we should not counter trend the level 2 move, kasi usually nagko-continue yan to the upside. So we should be long always if we are at the level 1 and level 2. But if we are already at level 3, pwede na natin yan i-short. especially if may correlation siya or confluence siya sa high of the day of previous week or high of the previous day. Alright, so balik sa ating session indicators. So ito nangyari kay oil today, breakout sa US London session pa lang, medyo nag-alangan ng breakout, nag-pullback ng konti, napunta sa round number. By 8:15 nagkaroon tayo ng continuation to the upside up to 9:30, but after 9:30 nag-pullback pa rin and pullback up to the round number. Same, actually it's the same point. This is the order block that was created during the first 15 minutes of the London session. So yan, so ito order block, pullback, and mitigation of these order blocks. So kung titingnan natin ng mas refined time frame, so gawin natin yung green para indicate natin yung area na yan. Okay, I will now turn to 1 minute time frame and then check natin yung green box. So ito yung price action during the first 15 minutes ng London, and then the mitigation move, that's a pullback to here, as you can see, pullback, consolidation, and then the beginning of the US session ay nagpatuloy yung kanyang pag-move upward, consolidate, then by 3 p.m. here nag-continue ng movement upward. Alright, so as you can see, kung marirecall nyo yung sinabi ko kanina, we should not be trading this level 2 movement to the upside. So again, how this paano siya nag-move today? It's basically a mitigation of the order block that was created during the first 15 minutes of the London session. Then dito mayroon ito actually yung pinaka natin, most probably our entry points. Kasi mayroon tayo ditong doji plus engulf, then by 3 p.m. we can enter this market with a very small risk. So this would be our risk. Reward is up to the next round number, that's a 3.7R. Okay, so silipin natin yung US oil. So sa ating entry, paano ba tayo mag-entry kapag ganito? So ito yung bounce sa order block. So yung pinaka talaga, pinaka earliest entry is the pullback to the order block. Kasi kung ito yung order block, okay, ito yung order block, nandito yung low ng order block, at syempre naglalagay tayo ng stop loss below that, and of course hindi natin nilalagay sa round number. So actually yung magandang entry natin is earliest entry is buy limit order, which is set very close to the round number. So right here, or simply you go back to your order block and get the half of that order block, so right around there, 98.6, and then set your stop loss below the order block but below also the round number. So if that would have been your entry and risk, so medyo napakaganda ng risk reward natin dyan. So kung ito yung entry ito yung stop loss, and then that's an 11.3 R take profit. Napakaganda. Within ano lang yan, ha, within 2 hours. Within 2 hours. 2 hours lang. So that's really possible. 11 hours within 2 hours, it's really possible if you are using smart money concepts. Gold, paano nag-trade yun ng gold? So silipin muna natin yung higher time frame. Previous month low, we were trading below the previous month low. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, 5 boxes, and then in the 5th box nagkaroon na tayo dito ng double bottom, and punta tayo sa 15 minutes. Ito yung first box, nag-breakout tayo sa first box. Ito yung pinaka highest point before nag-breakout. Highest point before nag-breakout, at nag-breakout siya sa Asian session today. Then London session, nag-trade siya, nagkaroon ng pin bar dito, then continued to move higher, let's say around 50 pips move, then pull back. Stop out niya yung mga stop losses dito below the low of the London, and the pullback to the order block. So ito yung order block naman na na-form during the Asian. So as you can see, kung maglalagay tayo ng mga ng limit orders, so actually hindi na siya maganda maglagay kung meron ka mga limit order dito. Siguro it's already too late kasi outside na siya sa ating US session time window. So kung meron tayong limit orders dito, mas magandang i-cancel out na lang natin kapag yung price is already trading outside our time window. So ano ba yung next na pwede niyang i-retest? So I think ito is a very significant one kasi ito yung consolidation bago nag-rally upward. So pwedeng dito muna yung i-retest niya bago siya mag-pullback, bago siya mag-bounce. And nandito rin yung round number 1705. So round number, very important, key level yan. So I'm looking for a bounce kasi ito yung lowest box, first box, second box, so level 2 price movement. So ngayon ang nangyayari is a pullback inside this first box. So however, kapag yung price ay nag-go lower than this first box, then we should invalidate this long position. Kasi makikita nyo, downtrend pa rin yung oil. Yung gold. So it might still continue to move lower. However, kapag nag-hold siya this area or this low of the previous day, malamang pwedeng magkaroon ng double bottom si gold. So here is the first, and here can be the second bottom. But there are two key levels. So ito and the low of that previous day. So okay, so either here or the low of this previous day. Ito. At yung low ng previous day nasa round number din. So dadalawa. So abangan muna natin ano ba yung magiging reaction ng price once it's hitting this level, or how does the price behaves if it goes to here. So pag nagkaroon tayo ng pin bar or engulfing bullish, that's a sign that we might be this gold might be bouncing, and it might have been respected this as the low of the week, or low of the week. So of course your target will be the high of the week, or even more, or this previous month low, which it was a support before. It might become a resistance later on. And remember that it has been already trading with many boxes, so levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's already an oversold territory for gold. Alright, so that's it, guys. So if you would like to, also by the way, if you would like to follow my trading signals that I am posting via my Discord channels, my Discord channel, ay mangyari ay mag-message lang kayo sa akin. You can also join my Discord channel, which is this one. Punta lang kayo sa aking Facebook page, and then just follow this link, and you can join my Discord channel for free. And then watch out for all those helpful tips that I'm posting in the page, in the group. Again, God bless, guys, and good luck.